Meaning of high pressure.
High pressure.
High pressure.
High pressure.
High pressure. The term high pressure refers to an environment or system that experiences a greater level of force or stress than is typical or desirable. This can manifest in various ways, such as high blood pressure, high-stress work environments, or high-pressure weather systems. The effects of high pressure can be damaging and detrimental, leading to physical or mental health issues, reduced productivity, or even damage to infrastructure. It is important to monitor and manage high-pressure situations to minimize negative impacts and promote healthy, sustainable outcomes.